just woke up from my dreams when you and I had to say goodbye. I don't know what it all means, but since I said Bible realize wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody promised tomorrow. So now I'm ready in my guidelines, the last night, right in the last night. If the world was ending, I would be next to you. Ooh. If the party was over, the night I went back was true. I will hold you just for a while, and I will smile. If the world was ending, I would be next to you. Thank you guys. Do you like my song?